Good afternoon, traders. I'm Nandakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm going to present you the Mastering the 5-minute trend strategy for instant trend, reversal, and profit targets are explained in detail. So the complete package I'm going to give you for you people to understand properly and trade properly. In just 1 minute candle could unlock the market's direction. In this video, I will reveal my complete 5-minute strategy, how I divide the candle into precise angles, use Gann and Fibonacci for retracement, and predict reversals with time squaring. Actually, I've made all the videos in detail. I'm piecing it together for your convenience so that you can understand better and you will not do mistake. By the end of this video, you will have a rule-based method for catching trends early and riding them profitably. First up is divide the 5-minute candle into key angles using 180-degree principles. Identify higher highs and retracements using Gann Fan and Fibonacci. Predict exact reversal or continuation points with Gann squaring the range. Use pi indicator to set perfect stop loss and targets. This strategy has been extremely profitable for me, and if you understand it fully, you can apply it too. Watch till the end because I'll show live examples and real-time setups. Understanding the 5-minute structure, the foundation of this strategy is the first 5-minute candle. Think of it as a circle. And when we divide it in half, we get a diameter, which in trading terms is our 180-degree reference. Here is how it works. The upper and lower halves of the candle align with 90 degree. If the next candle breaks above the first 5-minute high, it is a higher high indicating a bullish move. If the next candle breaks below, it signals a bearish move. So this is the picture. First step is I am marking the 5-minute high and low here in this area. This is the 5-minute and using the fib tool to divide. You can use anything to divide. It is convenient for me. I tweak the fib tool and only I've retained 1.5 and 0, and you can make it as a template and you can save it so that you can utilize every time easily. So I'm dividing the fib tool, using the fib tool into half. So my circle is ready. 5-minute circle is ready. Gann Fan is my master. Using Gann Fan and Fibonacci for retracement, once we identify a trade, we don't jump in immediately. Instead, we wait for the retracement to confirm the strength of the move. Here is what I do. I apply Gann Fan to check the angle of the retracement. I use Fibonacci retracement to see if the pullback is healthy. For a bullish setup, all retracements should stay within 180 degree. That is the circle, 5-minute circle. For an upward move, for a bearish setup, retracement should align within the 180 degree downwards. If the price retraces beyond this range, I consider it a weak trend or reversal possibility. Okay. Now, everything is ready. 5-minute high and low. I've made the circle. And now I'm ready for my trade. I'm applying the Gann Fan. I've explained it to you, how I use it. I take the angle tool and make it 45 degree and superimpose the Gann Fan exactly middle line to the 45 degree. So I'm going to see whether the price is moving in this direction. In this picture on Friday, market only after, here I am not able to explain, it started moving higher, but it did not sustain. It started moving down. So in that case, the Gann squaring range helps us for identifying the reversal exact time. Setting up targets and stop loss with pi indicator. Next step, I'm going to set targets and stop loss with pi indicator. There is one pi indicator. I've already explained it to you. I've shown it to you. Pi indicator will give you even the pi calculations, how to calculate the levels. Everything I've explained in my previous videos. You need to see all those videos to piece everything together. Okay. Once I confirm the retracement, I calculate my precise targets and stop loss using the pi indicator. I do not take the calculator and do it. There is an indicator which is available on the trading view. I'm extremely thankful for that person providing that indicator based on my calculations. It is so good. It automatically, you need not break your head or waste your time. You can apply that indicator automatically. It gives you calculations. How does it work? Think of the price action as a wheel. It either wheels up or wheels down. If it is wheeling up, it is a bullish move, or if it is wheeling down, it is bearish move. I use pi-based calculation to determine how far the trend can extend, how far the wheel can move, extend before losing momentum. This gives me scientific stop loss and target levels, reducing emotional trading. So here I've applied this indicator, pi intraday high-low predictor by Keanu. This indicator is very good. Actually, it not only plots on the chart the ranges, and also it gives the table where it can go. You can see a small range high. Let us go small range high. It is predicting as 22,634. Probably market went up to 634, I believe. You can see clearly it has touched that level. That is the magic of the pi calculation, because it is scientific. It is based on the calculations. So mathematical calculations, that the circle circumference calculation, based on that calculations, exactly market touching the high, and you know the levels. So that's the reason I'm using the pi indicator. And you can see here, pi intraday high-low predictor by Keanu Ritz. You can apply on your chart. This will help you. Okay, now we know the trend and target, but I should know when exactly will the market reverse or continue. That is where the Gann squaring the range method will help me. So for that, I've presented with yesterday how to calculate the Gann square, exact time. You go to my that video and you can go through the entire video and make calculation. Unfortunately, I didn't get any indicator relating to that. No one has done that. Actually, you need to calculate manually for that. Okay. I have explained how to calculate them. Timing market reversals using Gann squaring the range. This is the most critical step, binding the exact time when the price market will reverse or continue. I apply Gann squaring the range method to match the price range with specific time bars. This helps me pinpoint when the market is likely to reverse, when a trend will continue strongly, the best bar to enter or exit. So at that point, I am seeing the levels. I am seeing the time by calculation. There I am seeing for the best bars. Best bars means if I am getting a hammer or pin bar at the confluence level at the bottom, or a bullish, bearish engulfing bar. So many bars are there. I need not explain in detail. You know all these things. And there I'm going to see for the signal. And again, I'm following the same step. Most traders miss this step, but it is the key to maximizing profits and avoiding false breakouts. Because the one of my viewer made the mistake entering at the high point of that range instead of thinking that, but that was the limit because the time had already squared with that price. That's why market started reversing. He entered in that area. You will avoid entering that, thinking that because the levels will be there, Fibonacci levels will be there, targets will be there, but you will be in dilemma whether the range will break or range go, and a big bullish candle will be formed at that level. What happens is the traders jumps into the trade, thinking that it is a breakout and they will jump into the trade, they will get caught. This will not happen. And by this squaring the range, Gann squaring the range method, you know exactly where, at what time reversal will come, and you will be very, very cautious, and you will not do the mistake, and you will wait. That makes you to wait. And once you see there is some sort of reversal at that time, then you can act on that. Okay. Bringing it all together, now let us look at live market chart and apply everything step by step. I didn't see in my all the previous slides I have shown you how to do that. Again, I'll take you to the Nifty chart and I will show you. We identify the first 5-minute structure. We confirm higher highs and lower lows. We check retracement align with. See, these are all rule based. You need to strictly follow all these things. And do not do any mistake. Gann Fan with Fibonacci, we set precise stop loss and targets with pi indicator. We use Gann squaring the range to time our entry perfectly. Here is the result. A perfect setup trade system with minimal risk and maximum profit potential. Yes, traders, it fetches you lot of profits. You do not do much. Even if you are not perfect, you can go home with a little bit of money, not empty-handed or losing your capital. I bet this. I bet they start doing it. First, you need to practice paper trade and practice. Unless you master this, unless you understand the concept, why it is made, how it is working, then you cannot make profit. You need to practice. You need to practice. That is most important. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. You need to repeat it. This is the best strategy. I've worked it for your trade, and it is one of the best intraday strategy I can say that has not been published in anywhere in the YouTube. So it is for the first time I've been in. This is the brainchild of me working day and night to get this strategy and the setup for you people. Thank you. Next is we are putting it all together and closing and call to action. Now you have my complete 5-minute strategy that combines instant trend identification using the 5-minute candle, precise retracements using Gann and Fibonacci, accurate targets and stop loss using the pi indicator, perfect timing using Gann squaring the range for the reversals. If you found this strategy useful, give this video a like, comment below your thoughts, and subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. Let me take it to you the chart. Once again, I'll explain you the strategy. The first step is marking the high and low of the 5-minute candle. So I'll zooming in it and I'm considering this. See, I'm taking okay, let me take the tool again and show it to you people. Let me remove all the drawings so that you will, we will start it fresh. So first step, I'm marking the high and low of the candle. First 5-minute candle. and dividing it into half by taking the Fibonacci tool, and again I'm dividing it. This is my diameter, that is 180 degree. 180 degree. So now I've put a circle over here. Now I need to find the trend. So here what I'm doing is applying the angle, aligning coordinate, going to the coordinates and resetting to 45 degree. And again, one more angle downside. One more angle downside. And then I'm realigning to 45 degree because it is must. It is must. See, now you need to see if I take the clock here, I'm bringing the clocks, this one, you can see clock is ticking towards the upside in the first hour. You can see it has clicked towards the upside till 10:30 and even 11:15 also. Till 11:15, market was in an upside direction. So this wheel towards the upper side. The market turned towards the upper side. So there was no PE trade in the market. It neither came down. You can see, even though there was lot of downside movement, you can clearly see that. People, and I'm using pi indicator. Pi indicator for the targets. See, it is plotting exactly 22,634 and the low range it is plotting 22,400 and here you can see 464. These are the boundaries for you. So it did not cross this boundary because it did not wheel downside. It did not wheel downside. Because, see, let me take the angle. It did not come below 3 p.m. at all. This is 3 p.m. If it had moved, it is a downward direction. It didn't go like that. I hope it is clear. And I have used the pi indicator and I am also using Fibonacci tool. Both the things. Fibonacci for the levels. You can see the confluence of the Fibonacci levels to the pi, this one. And in between levels also you are getting. It's so clear. And the Bollinger Band is there in this indicator. And it is plotting about the 20 period moving average. 20 period moving average, Bollinger Band, anything about 20 period moving average. This is positive, and the wheel of the market is in the positive territory. Positive. Now everything is clear. Next step, I'm doing the squaring the range. I'm not going to explain in detail because it needs calculations. You take the high and low of the candle range, measure the range. It will give you the value. What I'm going to do is that range, I need to convert into degrees, considering the earth rotation. It rotates 4 degree per minute. I'm multiplying the range with a 4 degree. Then I'm converting it into degrees. The price range will be converted into degrees. Since I'm using 5-minute time frame, I'm dividing it by 5. When I divide it by 5, actually it gives 55 bars or 48 bars like that. So then I felt I'm not able to catch the intraday movements. Then I divided the value which I got into divided by 8 times so that I can fraction it for the 1 hour. When I fractioned it for 1 hour, exactly the reversal time came around this level, this time. Then I was cautious and I started seeing even also, you can see the pi small range high was there at that level. and the price reaction, you can see the candle reaction at this level. You can see the price moving downwards. Already it showed the, weakness. And again, it was a retracement failure, and applied. You could be, you are booking your profits, not entering into further momentum trade, thinking that it's a breakout. One of my viewer did the same thing. He get caught and the price came down. So he was under panic, but somehow he was managed to, I don't know whether he was able to recover the loss or anything. It went up again. It wheeled up, but it did not go to, this wheel did not move up to this level. Up to this level. Let me, okay. It moved this. Okay, friends, I think now everything combined together, you will have boost for your trade. I've given you a best strategy. No one has explained in the, YouTube till that time, because I've never found this. Because I did lot of mental homework, which is relevant for my business, because my business was intraday. I need everything relevant to my trading business, which makes me profitable. That I am giving it to you people. It is up to you people to use this. You need to follow the rules. Do not do any deviation from the rule. You have to follow the rules strictly, then only you can be profitable. Thank you very much, friends. Narnakshi Swami signing off.